Let's do a wedding guest makeup look. For my foundation, I'm using this Amrij Cosmetics की foundation. This is a very full coverage foundation, so it is best for wedding events. Just look at this coverage. आईज के लिए मैंने सिंपली ब्राउन शेड लेकर अपने पूरे आईलिड को कवर कर लिया है. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस ब्यूटिफुल पिगमेंट आई शेडो बाय एमरिज कॉस्मेटिक्स. Let's clean up our eyeshadow with this Amrij Cosmetics concealer. Setting my under eyes with this Amrij Cosmetics Selfie Ready powder. Using this Amrij Cosmetics ka Divine mascara. Beautiful eyelashes by Amrij Cosmetics as well. How beautiful this blush looks on my skin tone. I'm obsessed. Now to complete this look, I'm going to use this Selfie Ready lipstick by Amrij Cosmetics. This is such a beautiful nude color for my skin tone.